Did you know that there is a way how to make 20 million in just a week from your knowledge? Your knowledge alone? Hi friends, my name is Apuuli. I teach you how to speak, sell, and scale your knowledge. In this week, we are learning if you're going to speak, if you're creating content, if you're making a presentation, how to use hooks that will get your audience's attention and listen to you to the end. And today, we are looking at an intriguing question. A question that will make people question your question, want to listen to you to answer the question. It should be rhetorical. You don't have to wait for people to answer it, but it should evoke interest in them to either critique you or to find out the answer to the question by listening to you. That is an intriguing question. I'm sure even you've had some questions being used like that. If you remember any question, please put it in the comments. And if you want to join our 14 days public speaking challenge to help you know how to create a message and how to express yourself and overcome the fear of public speaking, put in the comments, #public speaking challenge. Meanwhile, have you ever watched a video and later you couldn't find it? Yeah, it happens. So save and repost this.